Embarking on the journey of acquiring an apartment is both exhilarating and full of surprises. It's a venture where a single misstep can resonate for years to come. So stay tuned to uncover the secrets of making your apartment purchase an experience filled with success and satisfaction. In this video, we will provide you with a checklist for each of the following categories: financial considerations, interior property inspection, exterior property assessment, inquiries for realtor or owner or property manager, neighborhood evaluation, and legal considerations. This checklist serves as an extensive resource to assist you in making well-informed decisions when acquiring an apartment. Adapt it to your individual requirements and inclinations, and seek guidance from experts as required throughout the home buying journey. Prior to commencing your property search, obtaining a mortgage pre-approval is crucial to determine the amount the bank is prepared to lend you. Failing to do so can result in a misallocation of your time and that of your realtor, potentially leading to unfavorable circumstances. Now, let's review the checklist. Number 1. Finance checklist. Get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start hunting for apartments. Consult and compare different lenders. Find out how many business days does the lender need when an offer is accepted. Determine the minimum down payment required. Understand the terms of a variable rate mortgage and fixed mortgage. Review interest rate options, fixed or flexible, and account for additional fees. Understand the penalties associated with switching from a fixed to a variable rate. Calculate the monthly expenses associated with the mortgage. Evaluate the associated financial risks. Consider recurring expenses, such as utilities and maintenance. Account for one-time costs, including closing expenses. Calculate the approximate monthly expenses, take into account property taxes, insurance, maintenance, mortgage, utilities, and all other fees. Number 2. Interior inspection checklist. Estimate or measure the total size of the property. Test the functionality of household appliances. Inspect the condition of walls, ceilings, and flooring. Check for proper insulation and ventilation, including the washroom ventilator and kitchen hood fan. Ensure the ceiling height meets your comfort preferences. Make sure the floors are even and undamaged. Examine windows and doors. Pay attention to any noise from neighbors through walls or the ceiling. Look for signs of an older building structure. Search for wall cracks, water damage, or irregularities. Check for indications of mold, pest infestations, or prior repairs. Inspect for leaks, assess water pressure, and look for signs of water damage. Test faucets, toilets, and showers for functionality. Evaluate light switches, outlets, and the circuit breaker. Ensure all electrical systems meet building codes. Verify the hot water temperature. Number 3. Exterior inspection checklist. Inspect the size and condition of the storage locker. Check the condition and location of the parking space. Examine the size and condition of the balcony. Visit all amenities available to residents in the building. Assess the condition of the roof and inquire about its scheduled repair or replacement. Verify the presence and functionality of smoke detectors and fire extinguishers. Number 4. Inquiries for realtor or owner or property manager. Confirm what's included is the maintenance fees, age of the building, yearly property tax, smoking and barbecue restrictions, rental restriction, pet restriction, the property's assessed value. How long has the house been available on the market? What's included in the sale? What is the reason behind the current owner's decision to sell? Are there any known issues with the property? What are the costs associated with the property other than mortgage, tax, and maintenance fees? Request an inspection report. The claims history for the building's insurance. Request the Strata insurance certificate. Inquire about the property's background, which includes past renovations. Ask for insights on the neighborhood, schools, and nearby amenities. Delve into strategies for negotiations and the listed price of the property. Gain clarity on legal and contractual aspects of the home buying process. Search for any unresolved liens or encumbrances on the property. Number 5. Neighborhood evaluation checklist. Explore the current market dynamics and potential property value trends. Gather information regarding the surrounding neighborhood, schools, and available amenities. Evaluate the distance for daily commuting. Check the distance to transit services or freeways. Determine the presence of nearby plazas, shopping centers, malls, and restaurants. Confirm access to grocery stores. Examine local crime statistics and assess the safety situation in the area. Examine any ongoing or prospective developments in the vicinity. Explore the potential rental income rate. Take into account noise levels within the area, main roads, railways, factories, and airports. Consider the presence of air pollution in the area. Evaluate traffic flow patterns, congestion levels, and noise factors. Make visits to the neighborhood at different times of the day. Conduct research into the quality of local schools and the range of educational options available. Number 6. Legal checklist. Consider hiring a real estate attorney to guide you through the legal aspects. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the sales terms and conditions. Thoroughly review all agreements, inspection reports, and disclosure documents. Conduct a thorough title search to confirm the property's legal ownership and any existing liens or encumbrances. Understand the local zoning laws and regulations that govern the property. Have a legal professional review all contracts and agreements related to the purchase, including the purchase agreement, inspection contingencies, and financing terms. Ensure you fully understand and are comfortable with the terms and conditions. It's advisable to include a home inspection contingency in your purchase agreement. This allows you to back out of the deal if the inspection uncovers significant issues. Be aware of the property disclosure laws in your area. Sellers are often required to provide information about known defects, which can affect your decision. Verify that there are no ongoing legal conflicts related to the property. Confirm that all essential permits and certificates for any remodeling or expansions are readily available. In conclusion, this checklist is vital when buying an apartment. By doing your due diligence, you'll be on the path to finding your dream home. Just do your research and be patient. If you want a copy of the complete checklist, see the description down below. Feel free to customize it to fit your individual requirements and inclinations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable content. Good luck with your apartment hunting journey.